From the fires of the Revolution 2500 comes something new and truly independent. Introducing the HTP Independence 210. AC and DC TIG, stick, pure power, and a portable machine. You don't punch a clock. You don't ask permission. You build it your way. This is your Declaration of Independence. Your garage, your grind. HTP America. Let freedom weld.
Nice job, my friend.
Jay. Thank you.
You know, I just watch people get angry. They either hate it or they love it.
But there's a reaction from everybody.
Okay, it's Sunday. We got a small emergency job going on, some stainless welding at a warehouse at Sturtevant. So let's pack up some stuff and go.
In the bed, you've got
right there.
Yeah, your tailgate. You've got 110 and 240 right in here, so you can plug in your welder and weld from this truck, which is pretty insane.
Yes,
we're going to test that.
Or if you're remote and you want to, if you're welding something, we have 240 in the back, so you can run this like a power station.
We're going to test that.
So this guy here is a little bit wobbly, especially it wobbles towards us. It doesn't really wobble much backwards or forward, and for sure not the other way. So we're gonna do a weld on the opposite side here. Walk around there. Show the people where we're gonna weld. Like right here. And that should stop the wobbling. So because we don't have, now film me. So because we don't have proper power here, we brought the Cybertruck, 10,000 watt of 220, so we can TIG weld this. How about it? Get a close up. See what it looks. Here, jiggle that tower a little bit. So you want to do a second one, like right on the back side here, or you think we're good?
Yeah, maybe. Right?
Yeah, right there.
Yeah.
Really, this corner here is lifted. Let me try to just get this corner here. Okay, I'm gonna come around the corner and do the other side. Okay, let's see what we got now. Oh, rock solid. I mean, if you want more, we can do more later, whatever. Okay.
Can I brush it off?
You can brush it off if you want to. Be careful, it's hot.
So here's a little video how this packaging machine runs. You see one grabs a bag, the other one opens the bag, and then back in the back there's a funnel where the product goes in that's pre-weighed, and then it gets sealed, and then it drops the bag, and one conveyor brings the empty bags in, the other one conveys the full bags out, like right there on the green conveyor on the bottom left. And we fixed that tower that seals in the top left corner, not that one, not the funnel that fills it, but that one there, that sealer tower, that was loose and just wobbling around, and we fixed it and welded it back in place.